Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to give you a brief introduction to the WordPress dashboard and some of its components. This is a fresh install and the default theme is the 2013 theme, and this is what it looks like. And this is what your dashboard will look like. On this main page you get a brief summary of how many posts, pages, categories, your tags, comments, approved, pending, spam, things like that. Quick press, recent drafts. This is where pages or posts that have not been published will be waiting for approval. The WordPress blog, other WordPress news, plugins, most popular and newest plugins, incoming links from other websites linking to your site, recent comments. Right now the only post we have is the Hello World post, and this is a default comment just to show you what it would look like. And here you can unapprove, reply, trash, mark as spam, keep your comments organized there. Over on the left we have this menu for post, media, pages, comments, appearance, setting, tools. Under the post tab, you can come in and see what posts have been made on your website. Like I said, currently we only have the Hello World post, but it tells you who the author is, what category it's in, what tags are associated with it, and the date that it was published. You can select Add New to create a new post. And if you have a lot of posts, you can use these tools to organize them. In the Media tab, we don't currently have any files uploaded, but this is where you'll see a list of images or PDFs, anything that you've uploaded to your website to share as a link or insert into posts or pages. It tells you who the author was that uploaded it, or what it was uploaded to, and the date that it was uploaded. You can select Add New to upload new media and apply bulk actions to the files listed. The Pages tab is where a list of all of the pages on your website will reside. Currently we only have the sample page, but we will be adding more. This gives you just some quick options for each page. Tells you the author and the comments on it and the date that it was published. You can select Add New to add a new page. Comments just shows what comments have been made on any pages or posts that you have on your website. You can mark them as spam, trash, edit them, reply. Tells you what post or page it was in response to. In this case, it was in response to Hello World. And under the Appearance tab, you'll have options to change your themes, add widgets and menus, change the header. We'll get into themes and customize later. Widgets are just the sidebar for your website. Different themes come with different options. Some have header options, some have footer options. In the Menus tab, you can create menus, mostly your main menu, the one that will be at the top of your website. Once we have some more pages available, we'll have a list of them here. You can check them, add them to the menu, come in, change the link that the menu points to, and what text is on the menu. Under the Header tab, you can change the header image on the website and the text color and show header text or disable it. In the Plugins tab, you can see what plugins are active or deactivated or installed for your website. There's some really interesting plugins out there that are very useful, and we'll talk about installing them and using a few of them for forms or social media and a lot of other things. In the Users tab, you can add new users and see what users you have and what their roles are. You can set roles for each new user. They each have different limitations. Some can edit posts, some can't. Some can only edit their own post, and things of that nature. An administrator can edit everything on the website, so be careful assigning that role to a user. And it gives you their email address, tells you what their role is, and how many posts they've made. Under the Tools tab, we have Press This, which you basically just drag it up to your menu bar or save it as a bookmark, and as you're reading an article or browsing the internet, you can select Press This and just make a quick post to your blog, to your website. Under the Settings tab, you can come in and change the title of your website, the tagline, your email. It allows you to set memberships. You have some writing settings, reading settings. This allows you to set your front page either as a static front page or your latest post page. So you would select static, choose which static page will be your front page, and then which one will be your post page. In our case, as of right now, we have to add some pages before we can do that. And this allows you to set how many posts show up on a page at a time. The Discussion tab, this allows you to change some settings for posts without notifying other blogs onto the article, comment settings, how many links can be in a comment, whether or not a commenter needs to be approved first before their comment is posted, things like that. And that's pretty much it for an overview of the dashboard.